Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are studying the base MCQ question of the chemistry. The first question of the chemistry, we can say matter is anything that has. Question है matter is anything that has. Option A है no mass and no volume, mass but no volume, mass and occupied space only volume. तो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. Matter has mass and occupies the space. The question number second. The particle of matters are option A at rest, option B very large, option C continuously moving, option D invisible only. Correct answer will be C. Question number third. Diffusion is the fastest in solid, liquid, gaseous, plasma. The correct answer will be gaseous. Question number 4. The force of attraction between particles is maximum in option A gaseous, option B liquids, option C solids, option D plasma. The correct answer will be solid. Question number 5. Which state of matter has definite shape and definite volume? Option A liquid, option B gas, option C solid, option D plasma. The correct answer will be solid. Question number 5. Which state of the matter has the definite shape and definite volume? The correct answer will be solid. Question number 6. Which state of matter has definite volume but no definite shape? Solid, liquid, gas, plasma. Correct answer will be liquid. Question number 8. 0 Celsius in Kelvin is equal to 100 Kelvin, 273 Kelvin, 373 Kelvin, 0 Kelvin. Correct answer will be B. 273 Kelvin. Question number 9. The process of the charges of solid directly into gas is called condensation, evaporation, sublimation, melting. The answer will be sublimation. So the process of the change of solid directly to gas is the called sublimation. The sublimation is the process in which the solid without changing in liquid directly change into the gases. That is known as the sublimation. Question number 10. The process of change of liquid into gaseous at any temperature is called boiling, evaporation, freezing, sublimation. Correct answer will be evaporation. Question number 11. The boiling point of the water at normal atmospheric pressure is 0 Celsius, 50 Celsius, 100 Celsius, 273 Celsius. The correct answer will be 100 Celsius. The boiling point of the water at normal atmospheric pressure is the 100 Celsius. Question number 12. Lateral heat is the heat required to increase temperature, decrease temperature, change state without changing temperature, increasing pressure. So latent heat is the heat required to change the state without changing the temperature. So option C is correct. Question number 13. During melting, the temperature of ice increases, decreases, remains constant, becomes zero. Correct answer will be remains constant. Question number 14. Evaporation causes cooling because option A. It release heat, it absorb heat, it decreases pressure, it increases pressure. The correct answer will be it absorb heat. Question number 15. Which of the following affect the evaporation? Option A surface area, option B temperature, option C wind speed, option D all of these. The correct answer will be all of these. Now, question number 16. Question number 16. Gas can be compressed because option A. They have strong force of attraction. They have large space between particles. They have definite shape. They have the fixed volume. The correct answer will be B. They have large space between particles. Question number 17. Change of gas into liquid is called option A. Condensation, sublimation, melting, evaporation. Correct answer will be condensation. Question number 18. The state of matter which highest kinetic energy is option A solid, option B liquid, option C gas, option D ice. Correct answer will be gas. Question number 19. Which of the following shows diffusion? Option A stone in water, sugar dissolving in water, ice melting, water freezing, sugar dissolving in water. Question number 20. The melting point of the ice is again question. The melting point of ice is 0 Celsius, 100 Celsius, 273 Celsius, 50 Celsius. Correct answer will be 0 Celsius. The ice melt at the 0 Celsius temperature. Thank you so much. Nice. Please like, share and subscribe the question.